Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. So, my name is Najlah Haura Mumtaza. So, in this video, I will present my SKL English 2 IT tutorial project. So, today, I create a modern landing page using HTML and CSS. So, let's get started. And first, I create a new folder, File Explorer. And sorry guys, and first I open the File Explorer and I write the desktop and new folder, and then the name folder is landing page, and I click right, and I open with code in it open Visual Studio Code. So guys, I create a new file. The name is file is index.html, and next I create the folder is CSS, and CSS folder, and I new file style.css. Okay, so after that, and I read the HTML structure of the website and see. So this is the code in structure HTML. Code structure. Okay, guys. So next the code in structure HTML, and let's start. Yeah, in the title is the rename. So and the body is text. And I do copy and I alt shift down. And then section, one is welcome to my landing page. Tag one or tag heading one is the judul in the information judul, and tag B information the paragraph. Wait guys. And so the next is uh, about section. Give class in about in the next div. Container in image, the tag image in the photo in the picture. And I open the in browser and I Pinterest and the picture is and I right click and I click right and I open image in new tab and I URL the copy and I do paste the code. So and I okay. Next image search and div class about text. Tag H2 tag H2 in about me and tag P hello my name is Najla and I am learning web development and improving my HTML and CSS skills. And the next about this project card. Div class project tag H2 about this project yes and div sorry guys, div class card container. Wait guys, and div sorry guys, div class card and H3 HTML structure and take paragraph in this project uses basic HTML structure for layout. Sorry guys, structure and div class card in H3 in CSS styling. And the tag way and using CSS for styling styling and gradient background. Give class a card, take a tree, modern design, and take B. The layout is clean and simple, like a real landing page. So, and the next, contact section. Give give class in contact in how-to contact me, and from input type text and placeholder and your name. Next, in the copy, the code is cut in alt shift down and email. Your email. So, and text area placeholder your message. And the button type submit and send message. So the next is footer, and give class footer and take my website created by Najla. Haura. So finish the code structure HTML and the next in code style CSS. And wait guys. So guys, and the next code in style CSS. So body and margin 0 and font family is Arial and background near gradient and status and 7-3 div and 1cc A and color white. So next in the navbar position X and top 0 and width 100% and display flex, and display space and justify content and space between, and item in center, and padding 20px and 60px, and background RGBs. So sorry guys, and no, and no, and so, and the next is list style. Known is display flex and gap 30px. Hero hero is text alias center and padding in 200px and 120px and padding 12px and 30px and border none, and background color white. Sorry guys, white. In color, wait guys, color is for A. And font white, bold, and the border radius 25px, and cursor pointer. And the next is about section. Sorry guys, about section, this about in padding 100px and 60px, and background and the next is about is container and display flex and item center in gap 15px is about PNG border radius is 15 px 15 so in about text in max width in the next project card project padding is 100 px and 16 px, and text allegiance center card container. Display flags and justify content center gap 13 px and the margin top 14 px, and the next card background background white and color is width, yes, width in the padding. This border radius 15 px. And the next project card container and cards, and the next contact section. This contact is padding 100 px and 15 px. Background nih. Background 0, ya guys, 0. Text allegiance center contact container contact, okay, is from display flags and flags direction column, and width and margin and the next in input the text area in padding 10 px in border radius 8 px and border none. In the text area is height 100 px in dot contact button in padding 10 px and border none and background color white, and color border radius, okay guys, pakai font white dulu, bold, and cursor pointer. And the next finish in footer. And the background. And finish the structure code style CSS. And and I click right and open with live server. So guys, and finish the code and the finish structure in style CSS. And now I will show the final of my website. Nah, so guys, I will the but guys. So guys, and now I will explain my code in the navbar. Yeah. So at the top I create a navbar, yeah, in CSS, in I use position fixed in the code. Yeah, and I use position fixed. Sorry guys. Navbar and position fixed. And why the position fixed? And so that fixes so the navbar stays at the top when scrolling. Yeah, when scrolling. When scrolling. Nah, when scrolling. And this makes the website look more professional in the navbar. So, and the next in hero section. Next, I create the hero section, the structure code HTML, and the style code CSS. And this is the main part of landing page, yeah. And I add a little and I description and I button nih, little description and button. So next, about section. In the about section, I add in my photo in tag image and introduction text. Yeah, about text, introduction text. And so in the next, about this project. About this project, in the next a project section using cards, yeah, project and card. And each card explain part of my website, and I use display it flex to orange, yeah, flex to orange the card in unroll. And the next in contact section. In the contact section, I create a form, yeah, I create a form. I add input field in your name, your email, and text area in the also for message. Yeah, jadi I also add a text area in the for message. Yeah, and the next. This makes the website interactive like a real website. And the contact section and background and design, and I use linear gradient for the background color, and I also use border radius to make element look modern. Yeah, and the footer footer, yeah, at the bottom in the footer, I create a footer. And the footer contains an copyright, yeah, in the information. So this is my final landing page the project, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, and thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.